Ready for balloon number 4?
Yeah.
So I've made up these balloons for the kids to use in their guessing that sound game. Every time they get it wrong, we're going to pop one of these balloons over them and they're going to see what's inside. Let's go have some fun.
Hi guys, welcome to Fun with Nim. Hi. We're doing Guess That Sound Balloon Pop Challenge. So the rules are you have to guess that sound, but if you get it wrong, my mum is going to hang a balloon on top of us and we're going to have to pop up with these skewers. Yeah. Let's play.
Okay, we're going to do the first sound. Everybody listening?
Yes.
Here it comes.
Listening. Music.
The first one was, you're right, cars, the city.
Yes.
Okay, ready for the second one?
Yes. Zombies. A car. Get out.
Yes.
Get out.
But wait, didn't you say zombies?
Yeah.
Was that everyone's first answer?
No, that was only mine. It was only mine. My first answer was a zombie.
Looks like we get to do the first balloon pop.
Yay!
First balloon.
I have no clue what this
2,
is.
1, go. Okay, ready? This is the sound.
That's a door. I said door first. Me too.
Okay, here's the next one.
Win. Yay. Tornado.
Wrong. It was a train.
Chugga, choo choo.
Okay, this is balloon number 2. 3, 2, 1. Okay, here comes the next sound. That's correct.
Yay!
Listen for the next sound. Here it comes.
Stop! Fireworks! Fireworks actually! No, I know what! You said stone. What was stone, right?
Yep.
Oh, so I get
You
it.
said fireworks. Another balloon.
It sounded like fireworks because I was like...
Are you ready for the next balloon?
Yeah.
Third balloon. 3, 2, 1, go.
It's flower, watch. I'm good. That's because of me, because I was like, whoa, boom, and it went that side.
Okay,
And
next
it's all over
sound.
my hands, and I'm licking it.
What's a flower?
It's powder. It's not flour. You can't eat it. You can't eat it. It's powder. Baby powder. Okay, next sound.
This is
Here we go.
eating it. Not me. One.
Second last one. Ready for balloon number 4?
Yeah!
Balloon number 4.
This can't
3,
be work again.
2, 1.
Again! I knew it! But I only popped it. But you didn't care. Who cares? Yeah, it's so difficult. I don't care. I want to swim in water.
Okay, next sound.
What? Was that a bull?
Donkey.
We all need to pop a balloon.
Yep, balloon pop time.
I said balloon.
This is the last balloon. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so some of the balloons popped before we got to use them. And it had this inside, and they don't know. So I'm gonna tip it over them and see what they think. Okay, you ready?
Yeah!
3, 2, 1.
Water! Chocolate water. Thank you! Ew, you got a necklace. I put it on your head.
What is it?
Yeah. Slime. Watch this. Oh, ew. Ew, watch this. Whoa, I'm like Spider-Man. Da, da. We're gonna put some water in this pool so we can wash all the gooey stuff off us. And I'm gonna put connects in the water. Oh yeah, that's good too. It looks like.
Kinetic sand and water. Go tip it in the pool.
I'm gonna tip it together. And then I'm gonna tip it in all the pools.